Hello, in front of me I've got DarkBeacon Flux 87. In this video I'll show you how to set up and assign macro. To set up and assign macro, let's go to dedicated app and then go to macro. Create your first macro, name it, enter tag or select default tag, and now select macro type: single, hold, repeat, toggle switch or sequence. Now record your macro. Stop recording and tap save. Now your macro is set up. To assign it, select button, macro, and select your macro. Save to keyboard and it's done. If you found this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.